I'm Jocelyn Snow. Today I want to show you my Moto Pockets Pannier bags. These go with me on all my good adventures. Made in the USA, this rugged bag is awesome. It's got a carry strap that's removable, so you can just pop it off your top box and take it with you wherever you go. Watertight zippers, those are important, keeps your stuff dry. And it installs on all types of pannier boxes, OEM and aftermarket, with 4 simple Velcro straps. Just pop them on. And you can remove the strap. I like to keep it on, tuck it underneath, so it's easy to pull it off when I get where I'm going. And if you carry a lot of stuff, and it's a big adventure, it's also expandable. Love the inside. It's bright red, makes it easy to find my items. And some of the items I carry in here, quick grab things like my toe straps, first aid kit, tool pouch, tire repair stuff. Sometimes I'll stop where I got a nice scenic view and I want to get off my bike, pull my phone out and take a photo. And if the wind is going crazy, it's nice to use this top strap just to tuck your gloves and other loose items in there so that when you come back to the bike, they're still sitting there. The Moto Pocket Pannier bag. Don't leave home without it. The Moto Pockets Pannier bag installs real easy. 4 Velcro straps, 2 on each side. Fits nicely on top of both OEM and aftermarket pannier boxes. Simply just connect the Velcro straps on each end. Comes with that removable shoulder strap. You can just tuck that in underneath, or you can take it off and put it inside the bag.